in action. We back in the action, boys. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I actually didn't think that I was gonna film a video today because it's currently 7 o'clock in the morning right now as I have a quick refreshment, and I actually have to go to a driver's safety course in about 15 minutes. But I thought, you know what? I can't leave the boys hanging today. I could be late for the event. I don't give a flying fuck. So today we're making a quick video. The reason for this, I don't know if you guys remember, but about a year ago we were vlogging in the car with Tom, and I ran a red light while I was talking to the camera, and I just flipping smoked a car. It was crazy. It was actually really cool. We spun around, I totaled my car, but nobody was injured, and I won't be doing that again. However, I do have to go to a driver's safety course for about 8 hours today, which means I don't really have much filming time, but I had to put out a video for you guys. So without further ado, man, here's another episode. Thank God we have this series, so it takes a little bit less editing and I can put this out for you. Here's buying the cheapest hypebeast shit that we can find on AliEpress. Y'all have been really asking for this one for a long time, so I'm stoked to bring it to you guys. And of course, as you know, at one point in this video, we will be giving away a bunch of the items that we do purchase off this website. You guys stick around to see how you can win it. Let's go. And welcome to the station. Now we're just gonna get cracking, boys. I hope that you guys don't mind this like little bit of rushed video, even though this might be like 20 minutes long. I gotta get a video out for you guys. You guys know how life works. Sometimes things come up when we act a fool in our real life as we do on the internet, and I have to go to a safety course so I can maintain my license. So anyway, we're on Alibaba right now. I'm stoked for this. I haven't shopped on this website forever. I haven't checked out anything on this website before this video because I want it all to kind of be real. But I do want to see how good their fakes are on here. I don't even know if they sell real sneakers on here. I'm not familiar with this website, but I know you guys have been wanting forever. So what we're going to do here, man, is I'm just going to pick out a bunch of stuff as we usually do. I don't know why I searched shoes. Like, am I stupid? Let's go Jordans. As you guys know, we just try to find some hype stuff, and I put stuff in my cart, and I've got about $300 today that I want to purchase some items with, and then I'm just going to give it away to you guys, unless I see something that I really want for a customer. Why the fudge? Can't swear, I forgot it. Oh man, you are hot. Oh, this video might take a while. I'm in a sidetrack space today. She is something else, baby. I mean, the hoodie's cutting nib buns. That's dumb. I don't know, you're hot. Anyway, regardless, I just kind of want to see what they have on this website, and we're just going to try to cop the coolest things that we can. If you guys see anything that we look at on this website today, let's go Yeezys, then you guys can also search it up yourselves. I'm not going to provide links down below because I don't want to promote fakes, and I do not promote fakes. However, I mean, they got some good prices, and I'm going to just tell you guys to rock whatever you... Oh! That's not a bad fake at all. Holy crap. These things are gnarly. Y'all know I don't rock fakes. I don't condone fakes. I do condone wearing whatever the hell you want to. I don't condone people bullying for like wearing some other shit. But these are hype right here, man. We're gonna add those to the cart. I know one of you guys would definitely want. Add to cart! Oh, I'm doing buy now. Add! I'm getting mad. Okay, we'll just keep the tab open. We'll just do that. What else they have? Oh, you know what? I've been on a really big... I'm sorry, we're getting sidetracked right away. I've been on a really big binge lately of looking for Selena Gomez shirts. If you guys ever see any, let me know, and I'll give you my address if you want to send me anything. Alright, we got dress. You type up Selena Gomez and a dress comes off, suck a dick. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it comes in hoodie form. Actually, I might have just purchased this one on Wish. I don't think it was this one. Oh, it's Asian size. We'll do like XXL. Asian size. Alright, added to cart. Sorry, boys. I just had to search if they have any Selena Gomez shirts. New merch is dropping tomorrow. If you guys haven't seen my Instagram, go check it out, and you guys will be informed. And it's actually some Selena Gomez type merch. So if you guys want to rock a shirt that says something about Selena on it, we dropping it. Oh, is that a poster? Sorry, we gotta get back on track. Okay, I'll just add this to cart really quick. I want the big one. Once again, I told you guys we're making a Selena Gomez room because I think it's going to be hilarious, and I'm just buying a bunch of crap for it. Add to cart. Add! Anyway, sorry. Let's go Jordan Cause. No, let's go Cause. A lot of you guys say they have a lot of really good hypebeast stuff on here, and yeah, so you can tell by the price that these are fake for sure. However, they don't look bad. And I know people don't want to spend the money on the real stuff, and you want to pimp out your room a little bit. I'm not one to like judge on any of that shit. You know what I mean? And any YouTubers that are like, yeah, I don't promote fakes or wearing them, I think that's some basic shit, to be honest. Here we go, ranting again. But I don't know. I just think you guys can rock whatever the hell you want. Honestly, I'm a little stoned right now too. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this class today without getting a little stoned, so I don't even smoke weed, really. But anyway, we're gonna actually add this to the cart. As you guys know, we actually have one that we're giving away right now that we got off of Wish. So if you guys haven't checked out 2 videos ago, you can see how to win that. I'm gonna add that too. That's not bad, bro. I wanna see if they have the Jordan cause. Boom. I'm all over the place right now, boys. I like 226. Are those real? Those can't be real. Wait, how much do the real ones go for right now? Those look dead on, bro. They can't be. They must be going for at least like 800. And they don't have anything. I don't know why my computer's not working. We'll keep the tab open regardless. Anyway, this is another one that I'd actually cop for sure. I just want to go back to Selena Gomez 1 second. Selena Gomez pillow. I'm really trying to pimp out this room, boys, and this is like my time where I go shopping with y'all. I could be doing this on my own, or I could be doing this with the boys. They don't have anything with Selena Gomez. No pillows. Selena Gomez hoodie. Let's just do that. I mean, we're saying hypebeast shit. I think Selena Gomez is hype as fuck, so this is not off track that much. Supreme. Okay, this reminds me, we have to search up Supreme. This is absolutely hideous. I see girls rocking this stuff all the time with like the big box logo, because I think guys know enough to not be pulling that crap. But I see so many girls just rocking the big box logo. They got no idea what they're doing. Like, honey, come over to my room, and I'll put some Supreme on you if you get naked and bang me after. Sorry, that's bad. Anyway, let's actually check. I am stoned. Don't worry, I'm not driving there. I'm cabbing, because I don't think you're allowed to drive there, because technically I don't have my license right now. Because they took it away because I nailed someone when I was vlogging? Come on. Anyway, if you guys keep watching this video, you'll see exactly what you guys can't. This is hype. Oh, I thought it said Supreme. I just like the color. Damn it. Look at this little nerd. What's up, bitch? Look at this man. Who's mans, bro? Oh man, I am gonna be effed in class today. I don't even know how I'm gonna get through it. You know what I do on it? Oh, this is actually kind of cool. It ain't Supreme. It's clearly a fake piece because they never put this out. I think it's kind of dope though. I don't know. Actually, I don't think you guys would want that though. We're shopping for you guys right now, man. It's Christmas every day on the Name Brand channel. I make like quite a bit of money, but I don't spend it on myself. Let's do easy V2. I don't really spend it on myself because I live kind of a basic life. With anything that I buy, it's either beer or just like for the Supreme room. But I don't know, like I don't see why I can't just share my money with y'all. You know what I mean? Or at least buy you some cool stuff every once in a while. It's like I don't know. That's some stuff that I would like if I was younger and I couldn't afford stuff. I don't know why I clicked on this, but this is probably the gayest thing I've ever seen in my life. Why is this website so hard to shop on? Let's do, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. What do I want to search, man? Let's just do box logo. This website actually isn't as hype as I thought. Like, it's really hard to search on here, man. Like, I just searched up box logo and all this crap. Oh my god. Yo, this is the blood and semen shirt that Supreme put out. That's hilarious. You know what, we're actually gonna get that in XL if it's Asian sizing. One of you guys might like that for sure. We'll get the black one. I think that looks a little bit more like the real one. Once again, I don't promote fakes, but if you guys want to rock this stuff, you can. Let's go NMD. I've been really into the Pharrells lately. The newer ones, they just look stupid, and I love that. I love just like a stupid looking, these are so hype. So this is some stuff, man. Like, I don't wear fake sneakers, but this is something that I would wear. I mean, it's fake, but it's just clearly comedic. It's like there's no way in your mind that anybody could think that you think that these are real. So you don't even come off looking goofy. Oh man, only somebody with 13 size shoes could have those. I'd buy these for myself, dog. Hey, we gotta get these ones right here. I think these ones right here, man. I mean, I don't know about you guys. This is something that if I went back to high school, I'd be rocking this type of thing non-stop just because I think it's funny. Like, what the hell are these, bro? Oh my god. They look like a goddamn jellyfish. What the fuck? Look at that. Dude, if I can, you know what we're gonna do? So I think these are just light shoes. I'm gonna take out the LED lights on these. We're buying these for sure. I don't think I'm gonna give these away because I need these, but I'm gonna take out the LED lights on these and I'm gonna put them on some Yeezys. this is also my brainstorming time, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys, okay, first thing I'm going to say actually, we'll do the giveaway right now. If you guys want to win anything that we do, and I'm not maybe going to send out everything that I buy, because I might not buy everything, but you guys let me know 2 things down below. One, what you think about this series. I know it's a little bit more of a, why the fuck can't I choose the shoes? Oh, there we go. I know it's a little bit more of a half-ass series, but I can kind of chill with you guys a little bit more on it. You guys know my standpoint on this series. I love it a lot. I love just talking to y'all uncut, uncircumcised, even though we are circumcised in this hoe. Literally in a hoe, not yet. I haven't banged a girl yet, but that'll come one day. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, to win something, boys, all you guys gotta do is 1, let me know what you think about this series, and 2, let me know what item by the end of this that's in my cart you guys want, or that you guys have seen me try to add to my cart, and I will send that out to one of you guys, absolutely. Let's do Supreme Louis Vuitton. And also, you gotta thumbs up the video, and the only way to enter as well is you have to follow my Instagram, just so you can message me. It's kind of hard going through comments and then getting your info and stuff like that, so I just want to search for that TVs on here. I'm sorry, I was getting a little off track, but yeah, it's hard just choosing through comments and stuff like that. So if you guys message me on Instagram that you did it, then I'll hit one of you guys up for sure. What? This is a TV for $485? What inch is this? I want it. It's a 55-inch TV. Dude, I'd love to give this away to you guys, but I'm afraid shipping would be a little too expensive, but I might buy this. Just to have a video from TV from AliExpress, and then we'll probably call it like, I got a TV for $20 from AliExpress that cannot deliver to Canada. Go suck a dick. I'm not supposed to be swearing in this video, but anyway, oh man, I've been searching up so much Bigfoot documentaries lately. I'm really into that stuff. We need to have a full sit down sometime of me just discussing Bigfoot with you guys, and all the, did I search Supreme Louis Vuitton yet? I don't know. And all the stuff that I know exists. And people, hey, let's search up bear brick. I just saw my bear bricks over here. I know a lot of people are asking me where I get them and stuff like that. I get them off eBay. I hate fake bear bricks. I got one time when I got scammed. That was a piss off. The video got me lots of money, so that's Gucci. Yo, so this is actually a real one that they put out. The real one costs, I think, $120 US, or it did when it came out. There wasn't too much resale with it. But this one's 28 bucks, man. We're gonna add it to the cart. I wanna pimp it. Oh, they got Krusty. Or Bartman. They got Bartman too, boys. I guess they don't have Homer. You know what? We gotta do Krusty the Clown. That's hype. If you guys want to pimp out your locker, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh man, if I could go back to high school. When I was in high school, I had a locker, but I never use it. I always use my backpack. I'd never been in my locker. I didn't have a combination, nothing. I actually sold it the first day of school to somebody so they could have 2. I think I sold it for like $100. I always try to make bank. I suggest doing that, by the way. But if you guys want to pimp out your locker, I know if I could go back, I'd definitely do some cool stuff with a locker. You know what I'm saying? Just some like, I'd make it some sort of shrine of like funniness. You know, like I'd probably have a dildo collection in it or something like that. I think that'd be hilarious. Then people walk past your locker and there's like dildos falling out of it. You might be construed as really gay, or you could just come off really funny. I think I was kind of like the Jonah Hill in high school because I thought I was funny and I was nice to everyone, and I actually was funny. This one's dope. I always wanted this one. I know my boy Sneakerhead in the Bay has one of those. We'll add that to cart too. I actually don't even know how much money we're spending right now. Yeah, I want this one, dummy. But yeah, I was like the Jonah Hill in high school because I was fat and I had a lot of friends. And then I was funny. But nobody wanted to bang. You know what I'm saying? And then, okay, so how much is our cart worth? Can you guys not do this? Like, for fuck's sake, just $243. Look at all this for $243. I'm keeping that Selena hoodie. That's happening. But the rest, honestly, boys, and I'm keeping this too, we might give away a few of these items. So you look what you guys want, and I will send it out to one of you guys. And also, people don't do this. They send me personal DMs, but if I ever send you something, post it on your Instagram or something. I want to see that you got it and you're enjoying it. This is hype. I don't know. Bro, look at the nipples on this motherfucker. You got little tips of dicks for nipples. I'll say, look at your little dick tip right there. Anyway, we're going to sign off right now because we're really late. I'm late. I should have left right. It's actually starting in 10 minutes and it's a half hour away. That's bad. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Name brand fams, real strong. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Blah.